everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're not new. My name is Michelle, and for today's video I have quite the unboxing. So yeah, I think we should get started with today's video. So me and my husband actually just came home from Spain. Spain has one of the highest refund rates of all of the Europe countries, and so naturally me and my husband did a little bit of damage. I think I'm gonna unbox all of the things that we got from Louis Vuitton, loewe, and Celine, but I'm gonna save this one from Cartier for a separate video, but I'll be sure to upload this one right after this one. So if you want to see what I got from Cartier, check out the next video. So out of the ones that are left, I have Celine, loewe, and Louis Vuitton. I think I'm going to open up the ones that I got first, and these ones are from Celine. Originally, I did want to come home with a black handbag, but the one that I was eyeing, the Celine Ava Triomphe, I'll put a picture right over here. It still hasn't released yet, and so since I didn't get to see that bag yet, I didn't want to settle for any like other bag that I just saw there just because I could get the Europe price on it. So I just got these two other things that have been on my wish list for the longest time, and so I got two things. Let's start off with the bigger box. This one is something that I will get a ton of use out of, and it is the Celine Triomphe belt, and it's in the size medium, and I decided to get the thicker one because I just really like thicker belts more than skinnier belts, and if I do get like a skinnier belt, it's probably gonna be different than this one. I was really leaning towards getting one from Bottega, so I might get one from Bottega if I wanted like a skinnier one. But yeah, I decided to get this one from Celine, and I really just love it. I've already worn it, and yeah, it looks really great on like jeans, a denim skirt, an olive cargo skirt, which I already wore it with. And yeah, I really just love this belt. It's really easy to put on. All you do is slide it underneath the buckle and then underneath these two loops, and then you just press it through, and that's how you put it on. And I love it. It's so cute, and it goes literally with everything. And yeah, this is the first thing that I got from Celine. I am just so in love with it and will get so much use out of this belt. And off this belt, I'm not really sure how much money I saved, but let me do the calculations and I'll put it in the comments. So next up we have something smaller, but I'm so happy to finally have this one. I found this one in Madrid. They didn't have it in Barcelona, so I was so happy to see it in stock in at least one store that I had visited. And this one is the Celine card holder in the Triomphe as well, in the black shiny leather, and I really just love this wallet. It's so cute. It even has a back pocket here, which I love because it gives you that easy access to any important cards that you might need. And then you just lift up the Triomphe, and inside we have another separate pocket and two more pockets here in the back, and then a gusseted pocket right over here. And honestly, I think it's pretty spacious. You could fit a lot of cards in here and then some folded up cash and still probably button it closed. And yeah, it's such a cute little wallet. It's pretty compact, I would say. It's definitely less bulky than, let's see, like this one here that I have. This one is the Dior saddle flap card holder. This one is pretty bulky, and this one's a little bit more sleek and slim. So I feel like it's going to be a better fit in some of my handbags. And yeah, it's such a cute, sleek, chic card holder, and excited to have this one and start using it. So the next two things are from loewe and Louis Vuitton, and they're actually my husband's. They're both sweatshirts and jackets. And the thing about my husband is, like, when he's shopping and he sees something and he likes it, he usually just buys it. And so let's start off with this one from loewe. We went to loewe in Madrid, and I told him that loewe is actually a Spanish brand and that we should take a look to see what they have. I didn't get anything, but he saw this really cool hoodie sweater. He actually has already worn this one as well, and it's a black hoodie. He said it was really comfortable, and I really love it just because it's a black, like, monochrome hoodie, all black, and has this really nice leather accent right over here that says loewe. It has this little D-ring here that I don't know what you would like hook onto it. All black, and then some leather details here as well. It says loewe here on the string, and this is actually a pocket. But yeah, this is the loewe hoodie that he saw and found, and just kind of fell in love with. I think it's a really cool kind of souvenir just because loewe is from Spain, but even more specifically from Madrid. And so yeah, he picked up this hoodie. The only thing about it though, he just wishes that there was a pocket here on, like, you know, like the stomach area, but I think they didn't add one because this is a pocket right over here, so it'd be kind of weird to have two pockets. But yeah, I think I will look for the link to this sweater, and if they have it on the US website, I will link it for you in case you're interested in getting that one. So yeah, this is the loewe hoodie, and I think it's a really great find and a great souvenir from Spain. Okay, and last but not least, we have this one from Louis Vuitton. This one was also something that my husband picked up, and I think this one is such a cool jacket. We actually had to order his size and then come back to the Barcelona store like on our last day of our trip just to kind of pick it up and see if it fit him and do like our tax return on it. But this one is a super nice reversible jacket. It is called the Monogram Reversible Windbreaker, and it's really nice because it's, again, reversible. It's also water resistant, and on one side it has this beautiful monogram print, and then on the inside, which you could just flip it or reverse it, you can wear it in this really nice beige tan color, and it's just a solid color that you could wear it in, and then like the inside would be like this monogram. But yeah, this is what he picked up. It's such a cool jacket, and I think, oops, and we did see this one in like a couple of other colors too. We saw it in like black, like a light blue or navy blue, but this khaki color is so nice. Like when we saw it, we just knew that it would be a great jacket for him to have. So yeah, this is the last thing that he picked up when we were in Barcelona. So yeah, this one and then the loewe sweater, these are the two things that my husband picked up. And then as for myself, I picked up the Celine Triumph card holder and then the belt. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it for today's video. If you have any questions about like the VAT refund or my experience at the airport, let me know in the comments. And if you're interested in seeing what I got from Cartier, check out the next video that I'll be posting, and I will see you guys in that video or in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.